Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, it's gonna be a what's in my school bag. So I'm very sorry for the background noise na ulan and kumukulog, so please bear with me na lang. So just recently, like around last month, we started our limited face-to-face classes. If you guys saw my most recent Dear Diary episode, it was our face-to-face classes in school. We have classes every Wednesday. Once a week lang siya. And lab classes lang siya. So, yung mga ipapakita ko ngayon is what I bring every Wednesday, every time I go to school for lab classes. So, this is my bag. This is a Herschel bag. I got it from the US. And it's just color pink. Kasi the last time, my bag na ganito is black. And then now I just got it in pink. It's a nice bag kasi I really love Herschel bags because it's very spacious on the inside and marami siyang nalalaman and safe din yung gadgets sa kanya. That's why I love it. And I love the aesthetic of it. It's super nice, super simple lang. So let's first start here sa front pocket. First is I have this. This is a alcohol spray. Tapos may personalized siya na parang naka-keychain siya. I got it in color pink. I have this also in black. Ayan, meron lang siyang letter M. I got this from LAZADA. I'll put all the links down below. So, I got this from LAZADA. And then, what I did is, tinanggal ko na yung takip para like, spray na lang ng spray. And then, I'll put it down. Then, I'll open na. First, I have my AirPods. So, I got this case from Shopee. As usual, I'll put the link down below. It's just a super cute color pink case. Tapos may flowers. Tapos, kasama niya yung keychain. Though, di ko to masyado bet kasi yung itsura niya is yung sa pang telephone or yung mga ipet noon na uso, yung ganyan. So, I'm really planning on buying a new keychain but then I can't find something pa na super ganda. So, yeah. Ayan, my AirPods. I just bring this just in case I want to listen to music or I have to watch something. Yan. Then next is my wallet. This is my wallet. I got it from Coach, and then of course it has money lang, and then my Vax card at the back. And then next is I have some Kikay stuff. First is I have this comb. Since lab na kami, gusto ko maayos yung ipet ko. Tapos, I have, kasi, curtain bangs ngayon. Naka-wax lang siya. Pero, I have curtain bangs. So, pag nakaipit siya, usually napunta siya sa face ko. That's why, lagi ko siya naayos with this comb. It's a styling comb with that. And then, I have this. This is a hair wax stick. I got it from Shopee. Ano mo lang siya, parang ipupush, tapos igaganyan mo lang siya sa hair mo. Tapos, usually yung ginagawa ko is yung nakahati lang siya sa gitna. I'll try to put a photo. So, nakaganyan lang siya. And what I like about this wax stick is, it's super easy to use. Igaganyan mo lang talaga siya. And then, at the same time, hindi siya yung, alam mo yung pag nag-gel, tumitigas yung hair. Ito hindi. And hindi rin niya nadadry. So, therefore, hindi nagdadry yung hair ko. So, ayan, I super love this wax stick. And then, para lang hindi mukhang patay, I have my favorite. It's the Innisfree Vivid Jelly Tint. So, that's how it looks like. Super tagal ko na to nagagamit. And what I love about this jelly tint or lip tint, cheek tint, is that it lasts the whole day. Like, ito, yung nakalagay sa mukha ko kanina pa yung umaga. Lumabas na ako, nag-errands na ako outside. And then, pag uwi ko, ganyan pa rin siya. So, I really love that lip tint. Next is I have extra masks. You'll never know when you're gonna need them. Actually, we always need them. So, I always bring extra masks. Kasi nag-change rin ako pagkatapos kumain or like super pawis na pawis. Nag-change ako talaga. And then, next is this parang essentials kit. I got this from Shopee, itong pouch. And then, inside is I have my napkin, tissue, tapos wipes. Super cute na wipes from Sanicare. And then also, I have a comb here na iba rin. Though, di ko ito masyado nagagamit. Di ko rin alam, ba't ko pa siya dinadala. Pero Pero ayan, comb, just in case siguro. And, yeah, that's it for this pouch. Ay, syempre, white yung uniform namin. So, dapat laging ready for the girls stuff. And, ayan, speaking of white uniform, since white na yung uniform namin, I always bring this also. It's a Tide to Go. Parang ipapress mo lang siya doon sa mga stain para mawala. So, ayun, para hindi ka madumi. In case lang, just in case magka-stain, hindi ka super dumi buong araw kasi you have Tide to Go. So, yeah, that's all for the front pocket. Ay, ito pa pala. Yung takip. Yung takip lang ng alcohol nandyan. Now, let's move on doon sa main compartment ng bag. Ang lakas ng kulog. So first, I have this. This is a hydro flask. 40 ounce ata to. Super laki. Kasi, nauubos ko to talaga guys. Kasi malakas talaga ako uminom ng tubig. So, ayan, malaki yung water ko. Ito lang actually nagpapabigat sa bag ko. And then, of course, I have an umbrella because you'll never know when it's gonna rain or super init. So, ayan, dapat laging ready. Sa Shopee ko lang din to nabili or sa Lazada. Mayroon tong cover pero tinanggal ko na para pag gagamitin, tatanggalin na lang yung strap. And then, pencil case. Ito, yung pencil case ko, nabili ko lang din doon sa same store. Doon sa nabilan ko ng pouch. Yun lang yung ayaw ko dito kasi meron siyang butas sa gilid. So, nalabas yung mga gamit. But then, for the aesthetic of it, it's nice. But yeah, I have 3 number 2 pencils because we just had our exam. So, ayan. And then, I have ball pens from Muji. Ang dami ko palang ball pen, kaya ang sikip niya. Meron ko lang color, di ko alam. Kala ko wala. So, ayan, meron akong 3 ball pen na black. Gusto ko tong ganito, yung retractable, kaso ito yung nabili ni mommy. So, gamitin ko na rin. And then, this is my favorite from Pilot. Kasi manipis lang yung sulat niya. It's the Acro Ball. Di ko alam kung like, finish out na to ng Pilot. Pero wala akong makita ngayon sa mga stores. And then, I have a sharpener. This is actually my sister's. A sharpener and an eraser. It's also from Faber-Castell. So, that's all. Though, di ko naman to like masyado nagagamit pag hindi exam. Or actually, hindi ko siya nagagamit at all if hindi exam. Pero yan, since nag-exam kami, dala ko siya. Ayan, so that's how it looks like. Pwede mo rin siya i-open here sa gilid. Kung gusto mo. Parang mas madali siya i-open. Next is this corduroy pouch. Which I also got from Shopee. Hindi ko actually in-expect na ganito to kalaki. Pero okay na yan kasi dito ko linalagay yung mga PPE ko. Like, yung shoe cover, hairnet. Ayan. Ay, nagbukas. Naka-ziplock lang siya. Shoe cover, hairnet. Kasi ladala ko ng extra just in case. Kasi need naka-PPE syempre sa lab. Naka-lab gown kami, hairnet, shoe cover, and then I also have my gloves here. Naka-ziplock lang rin siya. Pag mag-venipuncture, pag magba-blood collection, syempre kailangan naka-gloves. So, yun. Yun lang yung laman nito. Pero sineparate ko siya kasi para lang din hygienic and para hindi mabutas. Kasi pag yung nandyan lang yung ziplock, baka mabutas. So, ayan. It's super cute, super aesthetic. I love the itsura of this. It's corduroy. Ayan. And then, I also have my lab gown. What I've said, we need this. This is provided by our school with the school logo. So, ayan. Lab gown lang siya. And then, I also have an electric fan. Itong electric fan, dinadala ko lang siya. Kasi sobrang init sa school. Like, sobrang init sa school, guys. So, ayan, dala ko siya pag lunchtime. I-on ko lang siya. Ayan. Ganyan. Meron siyang 3 setting. Yung mura lang to, 300 something lang to sa Shopee. Tapos, igaganyan mo lang siya para may air. Kasi nga, mainit talaga sa school. Lalo na summer ngayon, di ba? And then, I also have this. I got this from Shopee lang din. Parang siyang fake skin. Hindi pala parang. Fake skin, ganon. Ganon yung feel niya. So, pinagpa-practice namin siya, like, kukunan ng dugo. Hindi ko pa siya actually na-explore. Like, pwede daw ata talagyan ng water para mafe-feel mo talaga na nakuha ka, na nag-extra ka ng blood. But then, hindi pa. So, ayun. Pero, pwede siya pag-practicean, like, kung paano ipwesto yung hand with the syringe or with the tubes. So, ayun. It's super convenient and super affordable lang din. I'll put the link down below. So, ayan. This is what I use to practice. Kasi, ayaw magpa-practice ng mga tao dito sa bahay. So, I got this na lang so that I can practice my venipuncture skills. Next is this one. This is an envelope lang. Super noon pa to, like nung grade 11 pa ako. Dinala ko lang. Nagdala lang ako ng yellow pad just in case. Though di rin naman siya nagagamit. Then, ano ba to? Oh, ito yung mga pinanotarize. Though, ayan, nasubmit ko naman na yun. Ito yung sa file ko. Hindi ko pa lang natatanggal. And, ayan, paper lang. Yung mga paperworks nilalagay ko in here. And then, I have my iPad case. Or my iPad, actually. But my iPad case, I'm just super happy with this iPad case. I just got this from Shopee. It's like 500, around 500 something lang. And I customized it. I designed this using Canva, which is super cute. I just want to share it with you guys. So, this is the front. So, it's like a composition notebook. Yun yung theme niya. And then, I just added stickers. And then, I added my name. And then, down here, it says, Dear Diary. And then, it has the Olivia Rodrigo sticker. Taylor's version. So, this is Taylor Swift's. And then, just a random sticker. Then, at the back, that's how it looks like. It's just a random ribbon. And then, it's I Love You 3000. Because, you know, Marvel. And then, here, it's another Olivia Rodrigo sticker. So, you guys can customize it, actually. You guys can send your design. I'm just super happy with this case because it's super affordable. And on the inside, actually, marami tong types. Like, mayroong notebook type, mayroong nafo-fold. But I got, like, the notebook type. This is an iPad Air 3, I think. Basta yung pinaka-latest nung 2019. Yan. So, yun yung iPad ko. Kasi nung 2019 kami nag-start, di ba, mag-iPad. And then, ayan, that's how it looks like on the inside. Meron din siyang slot for the Apple Pencil. And then, ayan, this is my iPad. Nagdadala kami ng iPad kasi, like, the first few minutes of the class, merong lecture before mag-proceed talaga sa lab. Yung iba, nagno-notebook, pero ayun, since meron naman akong iPad, ito na yung ginagamit ko for lecture taking para hindi rin sayang and para mas convenient din kasi nag-G-Docs lang kami for our lectures. So yeah, it's super cute, right? I hope you guys would also buy this. Super affordable. And I can share with you guys also the Canva link if you guys want to. And then you guys can edit na lang. So yeah, it's super cute. And what else we have? Oh, the last thing inside my school bag is this one. It's my PMLS book. Di ko rin siya actually nagagamit sa school. But then, ayan, nagamit ko naman na siya. I'm proud. Kasi nagamit ko na tong librong to. And, yeah. Kasi, for our face-to-face classes, we only have one subject, which is PMLS. So, ayan, I bring this. And then last, I'm actually using it right now. It's the power bank from Romos. Matagal ko na rin ito nabili, like 2019 pa. And hanggang ngayon functional siya and sobrang heavy duty niya talaga. Like, magagamit ko siya for 2 weeks. So, ayan. Ito actually 3 weeks na to, hindi ko pa na-charge ulit. So, yeah guys, that's everything that's inside my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Super na-excite ako na i-film siya. So, yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more of me, please hit the subscribe button down below. And click the notification bell beside it to get notified every time I upload a new video. So, thank you so much guys for watching. This is Mikey saying, don't let your dreams just be dreams. Make them come true. Bye!